Hi dear children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to continue exercise 6.3. Ninth question. We need to find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. The tangent is given and we need to find the point. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 11. What is this dy by dx? That is the slope of tangent. Okay, and in this question the equation of the tangent is given and this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. If you compare this with x minus 11, we got the value of m, that is equal to 1. And what is this m actually? That is the slope. Okay, m means slope. So we got the slope of the tangent, that is 3x square minus 11, and that same slope of the tangent, that is 1. So we can equate that two values and we will get 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 12 by 3 is equal to 4. Then x is equal to plus or minus 2 we will get. X is equal to plus or minus 2 we will get. We need to find out the point. So if you substitute x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2. Corresponding to these two values, we need to find out the value of y. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to, I will substitute this point is actually the point of intersection of these two curves. Point is actually, tangent means that a line which passes through exactly one point on the curve, that is our tangent, and that point, that is the common point for this curve and tangent. So since it is the common point, I am going to substitute x is equal to 2 in the equation, y is equal to x minus 11 and this is equal to minus 9. And if x is equal to minus 2 minus 11, that is equal to minus 13. And since this point is the common point for our curve and tangent, we will check whether the same value x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 gives the same value minus 9 and minus 11. We will check it. Okay, y is equal to, if you substitute that x is equal to 2 in the equation of the curve, 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. That is 8 minus 22 plus 5. That is equal to 13 minus 22 and this is equal to minus 9. Okay, no problem. Both the curves are giving the same value for y, that is minus 9. And what about in the second case? Y is equal to minus 2 all cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. And this is minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. That it is equal to minus 8 plus 27. Anyway, this is not equal to or minus 13. That is not equal to minus 13. Right? So, what happens here? If x is equal to minus 2, then that two curves are giving different values. That means corresponding to this minus 2, that actually this minus 2 is not the point on the curve. So then what is the point on the curve? That is ordered pair 2 comma minus 9. Okay, ordered pair 2 comma minus 9. This ordered pair minus 2 comma minus 13 does not lie on the curve and the required point is 2 comma minus 9. Okay, now 10th question. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1. So in this question, the slope is given. I'm going to take it as m1. m1 is equal to minus 1. That are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 divided by x minus 11. We need to find out the equation of all the lines. We need to find out the equation of all the lines. The slope is minus 1 and the speciality for that line should be tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to this 1 divided by x minus 1. We can write it as x minus 1 all raised to minus 1. X minus 1 all raised to minus 1 we can write, and this is equal to minus 1 into x minus 1 all raised to minus 1 into dy dx of x minus 1. Here we are using the result of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. That result we are using. So by using that result we will get x minus 1 all raised to minus 1. Instead of n we have minus 1. So minus 1 into x minus 1 all raised to minus 1 into, we need to take the derivative of x minus 1. And this is equal to minus 1 into x minus 1 all raised to minus 2. We know that the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of minus 1 is 0. So actually we will have into 1. No need to write it. Now just take this x minus 1 all raised to minus 2 into denominator. Then that is become minus 1 divided by x minus 1 all raised to 2. Minus 1 divided by x minus 1 all raised to 2. And in this question, the slope of the tangent is given, that is minus 1. And here we got the slope of the tangent, dy by dx means slope of the tangent. That is equal to minus 1 divided by x minus 1 all square. So we can equate these two and we will get minus 1 divided by x minus 1 all square. Minus 1 divided by x minus 1 all square is equal to minus 1. Minus minus we can cancel from both the sides. So x minus 1 all square is equal to 1 and x minus 1 all square is equal to 1. We will get 1 divided by x minus 1 all square equal to 1 and x minus 1 all square is equal to 1 we will get. What is the meaning of this? That means x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. Suppose x minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Then what is the value of x? That is 2. And if x minus 1 is equal to minus 1, then the value of x, that is 0. So we got two values for x, that is 0 and 2. Now we need to find out the values of y corresponding to this. So if x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, y is equal to, what is our y? 1 divided by x minus 1, that is our y. So 1 divided by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1 we will get. Now if x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 divided by 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. And corresponding to 0 we have minus 1 and corresponding to 2 we have 1. That means the ordered pair here it is 2 comma 1 and in the second case that is 0 comma minus 1. So we got two ordered pairs or 2 points, 2 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. And the slope of the tangent is given. What is slope? Slope is m is equal to minus 1. Here also m is equal to minus 1. Now we need to find out the equation of tangent at ordered pair 2 comma 1 and ordered pair 0 comma minus 1 with slope is equal to minus 1. Now what is the equation of tangent at x naught comma y naught? Equation of the tangent is actually y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Thus m, in some cases we will have dy by dx at x is equal to x naught. Okay. Now first I am going to find out the equation of the tangent at 2 comma 1. The equation of tangent at ordered pair 2 comma 1, that is y minus 1 is equal to m is minus 1 into x minus 2. Y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 2 and thus we will cut it as x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now the equation of the tangent at second point. Equation of tangent at, what is our second point? Ordered pair 0 comma minus 1. That is y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 0. Y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 0 and that we will get it as x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Thus required lines are x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 11th question. 11th question. Same, we need to find the equation of all lines, and here the slope, that is slope is equal to 2, which are tangents to the curve y is equal to 1 divided by x minus 3. We will take the derivative, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by x minus 3 all square, you will get minus 1 divided by x minus 3 all square, you will get. This is the slope of the tangent, and the slope of the tangent is given in the question, that is 2. That means we can equate these two. X minus 1 divided by x minus 3 all square is equal to 2. Minus 1 divided by x minus 3 all square equal to 2. All this we will get it as x minus 3 all square is equal to minus 1 by 2. X minus 3 all square is equal to minus 1 by 2 we will get. Is it possible? This is not possible, because the square of a number we got it as negative value. It is not possible. The square of any number is always a positive number. Square of any number is always a positive number. Here we got one negative number. That is not possible. Therefore, there exists no tangent having slope 2. Therefore, there exists no tangent having slope 2. 13th question. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. X square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. At which the tangents are, first one parallel to x-axis, and second one parallel to y-axis. Parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. We need to find the points on the curve at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Okay. Tangent and x-axis are parallel means their slopes are equal. Tangent and y-axis parallel means their slopes are, the slope of y-axis and the tangent, they are equal. Anyway, we are going to differentiate it on both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to dy dx of 1. And the derivative of x square is 1 by 9 is common. So 2x by 1 by 9 is constant. So we will have 2x by 9 plus the derivative of y square is 2y by 16 into dy by dx. The derivative of y we need to take. The derivative of 1 is 0, that is constant. So that we will get 2y by 16 into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 9. 2y divided by 16 into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 9. That is dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 9 into 16 by 2y. Minus 2x by 9 into 16 by 2y. This 2 get cancelled, and this is equal to minus 16x divided by 9y. Minus 16x divided by 9y. Okay, this is the slope of the tangent. This is dy by dx, and this is the slope of the tangent. I am going to take it as m1. Okay, so this m1 is equal to slope of the tangent is equal to minus 16x divided by 9y. Now we will do the first sub question. So what is our m1? m1 is equal to minus 16x divided by 9y. Now for the first one it is given that x-axis and that tangent, they are parallel. And we know that the equation of x-axis, that is y is equal to 0. Then what is dy by dx here? Dy by dx is equal to 0 we will get. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 0. Now this is, let it be m2. Since the tangent and the x-axis parallel, if two lines are parallel, then the relation between the slopes m1 is equal to m2. That means minus 16x divided by 9y is equal to 0. This implies minus 16x is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0. So we got x is equal to 0 if the tangent and x-axis are parallel. Now corresponding to this x is equal to 0, we need to find out the value of y. So 0 square divided by 9 plus y square divided by 16 is equal to 1. Thus implies y square divided by 16 equal to 1, implies y square equal to 16, implies y is equal to plus or minus 4. Y is equal to plus or minus 4. So in the first case, the required points are ordered pair 0, 4 and ordered pair 0, minus 4. The first case, the required points are ordered pair 0, 4 and ordered pair 0, minus 4. Now we are going to the second one. In the second case, the tangent is parallel to y-axis and the equation of y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. Here I am going to differentiate this with respect to y. Dy dx of x is equal to d by dy of 0. I am going to take the derivative of x with respect to y, that is actually dx by dy itself, and here the constant, that is become 0. Now dx by dy is equal to 0. Then what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 0. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 0. Now let it be m2. Y-axis and this tangent is parallel. Y-axis and that tangent is parallel. So m1 is equal to m2, that is minus 16x divided by 9y is equal to 1 by 0. Minus 16x divided by 9y is equal to 1 by 0. Cross multiplication. Then we will have 9y is equal to 0. We will get, that means y equal to 0. 9y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 we will get. And if y is equal to 0, we need to find out the value of x corresponding to that. So just substitute y is equal to 0. So x square by 9 plus 0 square by 16 equal to 1. That is x square by 9 is equal to 1. So x square is equal to 9 and x is equal to plus or minus 3. X is equal to plus or minus 3. So the required points in the second case are ordered pair 3, 0 and ordered pair minus 3, 0. Required points in the second case are ordered pair 3, 0 and ordered pair minus 3, 0.